Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make donuts last longer. To keep your delicious treats fresh, it's crucial to understand the best storage practices. We'll cover how to prevent them from drying out or becoming soggy, ensuring they taste great for more than just a few hours. Get ready to learn simple yet effective techniques that will help you enjoy your donuts for an extended period, saving you from waste. For optimal freshness, store glazed donuts in an airtight container at room temperature, away from direct sunlight. If your donuts have cream or custard fillings, refrigeration is best, but consume them within 2 to 3 days. For longer storage, plain or cake donuts can be frozen for up to 3 months. Wrap them individually in plastic wrap before placing them in a freezer-safe bag to prevent freezer burn. To revive a slightly stale donut, a quick reheat can work wonders. For plain or cake donuts, a microwave for about 10 to 15 seconds will restore some softness. Glazed donuts benefit from a few minutes in an oven preheated to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, which helps crisp the glaze. If they're very dry, a light sprinkle of water before microwaving can add back some much-needed moisture. Remember, always allow your donuts to cool completely before storing them to prevent condensation, which can make them soggy. For an extra trick, placing a slice of plain bread in the storage container can help absorb excess moisture, keeping your donuts fresher for longer. Also, for other great deals and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check out the link in the description below. Enjoy your perfectly preserved donuts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.